And what Missy is. Not a harrier. She's a harrier, yes. She is a kahu or Australasian swamp harrier. So this is a species that has been in Aotearoa for around 800 years. And no, you can't have all of that. She is New Zealand's largest living bird of prey. So they fulfill a very important role here in the ecosystem. And although they have adapted, or have they originally, like their name suggests, lived out in swamps, ate lots of waterfowl, a world full of rodents. So she is a little bit new. You might notice she does have one bad eye as well. So birds are also carrion eaters. They sometimes eat animals that are already dead, which can be roadkill on the sides of roads, or the road, most likely after being hit by a car, into our bodies as well, and we're eating whatever has been hunted. So, if you yourselves go hunting or do pest control in the form of shooting, make sure you either take anything that you shoot back with you, or ideally, look at what kind of ammunition you are using. If anyone you know does this kind of shooting as well, encourage them to look at their ammunition and go for something. We've done a lot of work with her, as you can see, to get her nice and used to living amongst people. And
familiar with what this animal is. 200 to 200. But the tuatara, anything over 20 degrees, that's way too hot. 16 degrees on